Good early morning, everybody. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading. I just went into my oven to take out a baking sheet, and this actually was new, like brand new. Like I bought an extra one when I moved here. Check it out. Oh, it looks like the Freemason symbol. Look at this. This is unbelievable that they have the audacity to go into my oven and do this to a pan. Look at this. Not naturally occurring. This happens to a baking pan. Oh, look at these symbols. They give themselves away every day. Look. What's all this mess in the corner here? Look at this. Do your baking pans look like this? Do they do this to your baking pans? Look at that line. This line. Look at all the scuffs. Now, just as a side, when I use my baking pans, I usually cover them and then place whatever it is that I'm cooking on them on top of the cover. So this was deliberate scraping, scratching. I mean, could you imagine how angry these people are? To go into somebody's oven and scratch a baking pan. I haven't even looked at the others. I just wanted to show you this. To show you that this is deliberate. This is what's going on here in Jackson County, Kentucky. Jackson County, Kentucky hashtag. Look. Look at that. See if we can get some different angles so you can see how deliberate it is. How angry these people are. Oh, look. And this is a baking pan that I just pulled out of the oven. I store it in there because I don't have a lot of storage space in my house. And actually, I was going to post another video and these criminals put me to sleep. And this is what my baking pan looks like. Please leave a comment down below if this happens to you. Look at that. Look at that. And you know that they have technology that they can deliberately rust something. It could be brand new. It could be silver. It could be gold. It doesn't matter what material it is. They can rust it. Your nails, your screws, anything that's a metal, stainless steel, aluminum, it doesn't matter what it is. Oh, look here, here's the little Y symbol. See the little Y symbol there? See that? There it is. There's the other one, the little V. That. They give themselves away. They leave their symbols around. Look. They make it look like it's pitted. Oh, look, that looks like an anarchy. See that A? Look at that. I'm holding a light above it just so that you can see the different, from different angles and stuff. Look at how disgusting this is. So when I move from here, I'm going to have a lot of garbage left behind. I'm not going to take any of this garbage with me. Look at this. They want to make it look as if this is something that I did. It's called Zersetzung, decomposition. They want to destroy everything that you have. But while doing it, they want others to think that you live like this. That's what they do. They want others to think that you live like this. That you have done this when they have done it to you. So anyway, I'm going to sign off for now.